My name is Apurva. I'm studying in 7th class and CHS Rachelpeta, Kakinada High School. I'm reading in English textbook. Grow up, say things like speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your noise, sit up, say please, less noise, shut the door behind you, don't brave your feet, heaven, you got it handy, take your hands out of your pockets, pull your stand up straight, say thank you, don't impute, no one thinks you are funny, take your elbows up off the table, can't you make your own mind up about anything. Thank you.